Alright, so in this equation, I'm going to be solving 3 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 9. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is take the power of 1 over 9x on both sides. So I get 3 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 9x is equal to x to the power of 9 to the power of 1 over 9x. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 9x is going to equal 3 to the power of x times 1 over 9x. And this is going to equal x to the power of 9 times 1 over 9x. Now x and x in the denominator here cancel out. So I get 3 to the power of 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power of 9 and 9 cancel out, 1 over x. Now, one over 9 is the same thing as 3 over 27. So now I can rewrite this as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 27 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And 3 to the power of 3, well, that's equal to 27. So I get 27 to the power of 1 over 27 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And notice how these two are in the same form. A number to the power of 1 over that same number, meaning x is equal to 27. So now to check, I can plug this into my equation. 3 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 9. X is equal to 27, so I get 3 to the power of 27 is equal to 27 to the power of 9. And 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So I get 3 to the power of 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 9, which is equal to 3 to the power of 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 times 9. And 3 times 9 is 27, so I get 3 to the power of 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 27. And this is right, so my solution over here is right as well. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be solving the equation 36 to the power of x is equal to 3 over x. So my only variable in this equation is x, so that's what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. So my equation is 36 to the power of x is equal to 3 over x. And what I'm first going to do is take the power of 3 over x on both sides. So now I have 36 to the power of x to the power of 3 over x is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 36 to the power of x to the power of 3 over x is going to equal 36 to the power of x times 3 over x. And this is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. So then now these two x's cancel out, and I get 36 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. And now from here, I can rewrite 36 as 6 squared. So I get 6 squared to the power of 3 is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is going to equal 6 to the power of 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6, so I get 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. And if I have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, 6 is going to equal 3 over x. And I can solve this by using proportions. So 6 is the same thing as 6 over 1. So I get 6 over 1 is equal to 3 over x. And now I can cross multiply. 6 times x is 6x, and 1 times 3 is 3. So I get 6x equals 3. And now if I divide both sides by 6, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 3 over 6, which simplifies to 1/2. So I get x is equal to 1/2. So now, from here, to check, my equation was 36 to the power of x is equal to 3 over x. So x equals 1/2, so I get 36 to the power of 1/2 is equal to 3 over 1/2, which is equal to, turns into 6, is equal to 6.